Now let's shift our focus to a story that will be closely watched by NDTV Profit throughout the day. Gensol Engineering is a stock that has been in focus last week on the back of some sharp correction and also because of some recent rating downgrades that we've seen. The stock has shed almost 40% in the last 5 days. We have Soumit joining us with more details on what has happened and what is something that we should be watching for Gensol Engineering.
Well, as Gensol Engineering remains in focus, firstly, let's see what has happened over the weekend when it comes to Gensol Engineering. The first news that came in was the promoter has sold nearly 9 lakh shares or around 2.37 of the equity, and this was done at around 30 crore valuation. But on the positive side, the promoter has said that they will be infusing this amount or this funds that they have realized from stake sale into the company. And even after this, the promoter holding stands at close to 59.7%. So how will the promoter infuse this funds into the company? Now, for that, we need to go back and if you remember June 18, 2024, the company had issued close to 61.84 lakh warrants to promoters and other investors. Now, out of the 61.84 lakh, 15.3 lakh warrants were subscribed by the promoter himself. And as per the warrant subscription terms, 25% of the amount was paid upfront, and the remaining 75% is an option that the company has to get from investors and promoters till December 2025. However, this can be preponed by the company, and that is what we believe could happen here, and that's how the fund infusion could come in Gensol Engineering. So if you look at this table, warrants were announced back in June 2018 at a price of around 871 rupees. So they were looking at a total fundraise of close to 539 crore rupees, of which 135 crore is something that the company has already got because the 25% needs to be paid upfront, and the remaining amount, that is 404 crore rupees, this is something that the company could raise from the promoters and other investors as well. Now, of the 404 crore rupees, 1/4, that is nearly 100 crore rupees, will be infused by the promoters, while the remaining 304 crore rupees will be infused by the remaining 107 investors. And warrant subscription was done at around 871 rupees as compared to the current market price, which is around 320, which means that this warrant subscription will happen at nearly 2.7 times the current market price. So that's another thing that we need to watch out for. Apart from that, the company will hold a board meet on March 13 to decide on this fundraise. So that is something very crucial to watch out for when it comes to Gensol Engineering.